The crash happened just down there. The NTSB report is prompting another investigation. Lawyers are making serious accusations and raising safety concerns.
I believe the NTSB report reflects that those in charge chose savings over safety. Based on this report, it is the desire of my clients to hold all of those who caused or contributed to this accident accountable.
Attorney Michael Belsky is representing the family of one of 6 people who died after a car crash in their construction work zone in March 2023. The NTSB report he's referring to is leading to a private investigation into safety protocols.
This is where the vehicles...
Belsky cites 3 areas of concern. He's pointing to a 149-foot gap in a barrier wall. It's a photo of the construction site crash. He contends, based on recent NTSB findings, a protective vehicle known as a crash attenuator truck should have been parked there.
This vehicle, however, had been moved and was parked and unattended in a place that did no good to the workers.
Belsky says there are other safety measures that should have been in place, but were not.
There was a sign warning motorists that the shoulder was closed. Unfortunately, that sign had been hit by a vehicle several days before the accident and was never replaced.
Another finding Belsky noted in the NTSB report are the previous accidents in the same stretch of highway,
which highlighted the importance of taking simple measures like reducing the speed limit or shutting down the left lane of travel.
How long the law office investigation will take is not known. State highway officials issued a statement saying, in part, SHA is a participating party with the NTSB, and we have no further comment at this point. Reporting along 695, David Collins, WBAL TV 11 News.